You want to start a YouTube channel reviewing AI tools, and you want to build a real income stream from it. But two things usually stop people before they even begin: the thought of putting their face on camera and the steep learning curve of professional editing software. Today, we are going to streamline this process. We will build, brand, and publish a complete faceless channel from scratch by following a specific, repeatable system. You do not need expensive gear or a complex setup. All you need to execute this system is a standard web browser, a Google account, and a free Canva account. By leveraging specific AI tools, the heavy lifting of media creation is handled for you, removing traditional barriers to entry. Step 1 is establishing your base. Go to YouTube and use your existing Google account to create a new channel. Do not let perfectionism stall you here. Pick a clean, simple, and memorable name, then move forward. What you must be highly specific about is your sub-niche. A broad topic like AI tools is too crowded. Focusing on AI tools for students gives you a clear target audience. With the channel created, we need to build its visual identity. Open an AI image generator like Digital Maker AI to start the branding phase. Prompt the tool to create a minimalist brain icon with circuit board lines in electric blue on a dark background. This specific style creates an instant tech aesthetic. Download that image and head back to your YouTube Studio customization tab. Upload it as your profile picture and add a simple matching banner. Combining a tightly focused sub-niche with clean, generated visuals creates a cohesive look that fits the expectations of your target audience. Now we build the engine of your first video, the script. For a 3 to 5 minute runtime, you need roughly 700 words. To keep viewers watching, you will structure those 700 words using a strict 5-part formula. First is the hook. The opening 5 seconds must ask a bold question or state a clear problem to grab attention immediately. Next is the intro phase. Here you set expectations and tell the viewer what they will learn. You then divide your main content into clear sections, deliver a precise call to action, and wrap up with a fast outro. Following this exact formulaic architecture removes writer's block and provides the pacing required to maintain high audience retention. With the script written, we shift to the assembly phase. Open Canva, create a new design, and select the standard 1920 by 1080 YouTube video template to ensure your formatting is correct. This editing system functions by treating the video like a slide presentation. You create exactly 1 slide in Canva for every distinct section of your script. Go to the Elements tab, find free stock video assets relevant to your topic, and apply them as the background for every single slide. Next, add your text overlays. The rule here is strict. Keep them concise and never exceed 5 to 10 words per slide. You must use large, bold fonts with high contrast colors so that the text remains entirely readable for viewers on mobile devices. For the narration, run your script through a text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs. Export that audio file and upload it directly into your Canva timeline. Select a background music track from the audio library and place it directly underneath your primary voiceover track. This is a common beginner trap. You must mix your audio levels. Drop the background music down to exactly 15% so it doesn't drown out your narration. By treating the editing process like a simple slide presentation, you bypass technical overwhelm and rapidly accelerate your production speed. Now for the final mechanical steps. Click Share, Download, and export your finished presentation strictly as an MP4 video file. Direct your workflow back to the YouTube Studio dashboard and click Upload to initiate the final sequence. Paste in your optimized description, add your relevant tags, and upload the AI-generated thumbnail. The publishing phase is merely data entry. All the heavy lifting was already accomplished during your system setup. Hit Publish. You have successfully taken a blank idea and turned it into a live playing video on a fully branded channel. To trigger the YouTube algorithm and reach the requirements for AdSense or affiliate revenue, you need consistent output volume. Set a firm operational target. Execute this exact workflow to upload 3 to 5 videos every single week. If you are ready to start building, drop your new channel name in the comments below and subscribe for more scaling strategies. Sustainable channel growth comes from the consistent execution of this repeatable AI workflow.